Hey there! Are you looking to upgrade your floor heating system easily? You're in the right place. Today, we're looking at the MAXKOSKO's floor heating uncoupling membrane designed for quick installation with no clips, fasteners, or leveling compounds. Let's dive in and see why it's a great choice for your underfloor heating. This uncoupling membrane works with all types of electric floor heating cables. It's 0.22 inches, about 5.5 millimeters, thick and supports cables ranging from 3.8 to 5 millimeters, making it perfect for ceramic and stone tiles, basements, bathrooms, and even steam rooms. Made from durable HDPE and PP materials, the MAXKOSKO's membrane provides excellent electrical insulation. Its 100% waterproof polyethylene layer protects against moisture, ensuring lasting durability. This floor heating membrane is also designed for crack isolation. It reduces tile breakage and helps eliminate ground problems, keeping your tiles intact and maintain a smooth, beautiful surface over time. Designed with convenience in mind, the MAXKOSKO's membrane can be easily trimmed to fit your space perfectly, making installation quick and efficient. Here's a quick step-by-step guide to installing your MAXKOSKO's floor heating uncoupling membrane. Start by spreading a layer of thin-set mortar onto your subfloor. Make sure it's even to create a solid base for the membrane. Lay the membrane on the mortar while it's still fresh. Smooth it out gently to remove any air pockets or wrinkles, ensuring a secure bond with the floor. Embed the heating cable into the membrane's channels. Use a pusher tool to guide the cable into place, making sure it's firmly set and evenly spaced. Apply another layer of thin-set mortar over the membrane, spreading it evenly to create a smooth surface for your tiles. Finally, install your tiles on top of the membrane, pressing them firmly into place. Once done, let everything set and dry. Your MAXKOSKO's membrane is set to deliver reliable, even heating across your floors. Perfect for any room in your home, this system is built to last. Thanks for watching, and here's for a warm, comfortable home.